Investing Basics, starting with stocks. Welcome to Info Finance, the best channel about finance. We are here to provide you with the latest information and insights on all things finance. From personal budgeting to investing and everything in between, we have everything you need. Our team of experts is dedicated to breaking down complex financial concepts and providing clear, concise explanations to help you make informed decisions about your money. Whether you are just beginning your financial journey or are a seasoned professional, we have something for everyone. Subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay up to date on the latest financial news and join the conversation. In this video, we will discuss the basics of investing. Be careful until the end, there will be a surprise. What is an investment? An investment is the act of investing money in a financial asset or venture with the expectation of earning a positive return. There are different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Each type of investment carries its own set of risks and potential gains. So it is important to do research and choose investments that are in line with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Important considerations. An important consideration when investing is diversification, which is the practice of spreading one's investments across a number of different asset classes and investment vehicles. This can help mitigate risk, as it means that your portfolio is not overly dependent on the performance of a single investment. Another key aspect of investing is the time horizon, which refers to the length of time you intend to hold your investments. Generally, the longer the time horizon, the more risk you can take on, as you have more time to deal with the ups and downs of the market. It is also important to keep in mind that investments carry inherent risks and that you cannot guarantee a positive return on your investments. It is always a good idea to consult a financial advisor or professional before making any investment decision. Things no one knows. Here's something that perhaps not many people know. In the early days of the stock market, stocks were traded in open-air markets. It was not until the 1850s that the first stock exchange building was built in Philadelphia. What is a stock? A stock represents ownership in a company and allows you to share in its profits or losses. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of the company. Stocks can offer long-term growth potential, but they also carry the risk of value fluctuation and the possibility of losing money. Things of bonds. A bond is a loan made to a company or government in exchange for payment of interest and repayment of principal at a later date. Bonds tend to be less risky than stocks, but they also generally offer lower potential returns. What are mutual funds? A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that pools the money of many investors and uses it to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Mutual funds can be a good option for investors who want professional management and diversification but do not have much money to invest. Is investing in real estate a good investment? Real estate investment can take many forms, including buying rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts rights. Real estate investments can offer the potential for steady income and long-term appreciation, but they also involve property management and tenant relations, which can be time-consuming. Are there alternative investments? Alternative investments are investments that do not fall into the traditional categories of stocks, bonds, and cash. Examples of alternative investments include hedge funds, private equity, and cryptocurrencies. Alternative investments can offer high return potential, but they also tend to be riskier and less liquid, that is, they can be difficult to sell quickly. It is important to keep in mind that the value of your investments can fluctuate over time and you may lose money. It is always advisable to consult a financial advisor or professional before making any investment decision. Thank you for following us today in this new video of ours. Stay connected, subscribe, like, comment, and share every day new videos about finance. The surprise is the new challenge. The goal is to exceed 10,000 subscribers. Help us to reach this important goal. The Info Finance team thanks you and looks forward to the next video. Stay connected and goodbye.